Wind down.
Call me black, you know sabi my face.
For where? Who you be?
Make I wear my cap.
Hey!
You don't recognize my face.
No, now.
From the look of things, you be new recruit. You get? You know get any of your officer wey no sabi me. My name na AGK Cambodia. Everybody for this area know me and they show love.
Okay.
I be Yahoo boy. You get?
Are you playing?
Get out. Get out.
This guy. Don't worry. I know your type. You don't see golden boy, you won't collect love.
You get mine. They tell officer just say you be Yahoo boy.
Officer.
Huh?
You don't see golden boy. I know see as you do like this, you go like collect. But that one no be problem. You get? Everybody know say me I dey show love. I dey follow you talk, officer.
Woos, I no do myself. As I just see the white babe, she just fall in love with me. That's why I become US citizen.
Will you? Make I transfer you 50K. Make you take away your side.
One more thing.
You like what you see? You like what you see?
Hello, you baby. My name now Woos Wobi. Woos Ijaya. Woos money from Kentucky.
Nice. How can I help you?
See, make I no lie to you. I just dey fall for you. Like Bitcoin.
No.
Officer, when fuck here up big time. You not see embarrassment.
My guy, maybe GK can go there with that.
Yes, so Naimo.
The guy don't find run mad.
You be like na crazy, they worry you.
I know say don't do Yahoo Plus.
And your papa do Yahoo Plus. Idiot, she be like who them beat for Ikeja.
You be like say you be banana peel.
Why?
Because I just dey fall for you.
Oh my God.
When nobody lie to you, you be fried pan. Cause you hot. Wait be your name?
Katarina.
Katarina. Where you come from?
Russia.
So, where una dey go?
We're going for lunch.
Oh, hope you know my if I drop you off.
What are you driving?
Bugatti.
Bugatti?
Yes. It looks like Maserati.
Nice.
One second.
Officer, what's in the shop now? Give me my clothes to make I come out from this place, I beg.
Calm down. You never finish. I go still do one more thing.
What it?
Your motto.
You be like you the crash. You be like you the just well, officer. Not make me vex for you.
Well, be like say you don't know the car offense when you commit. Be like say you want me they charge you to court. May you go jail.
Officer. But this one where you won't carry my motor, and now you they carry my clothes to go. Waiting me I go where?
I'll be my Bugatti. I'll be my Maserati.
Now why we dey call am go? Now why he dey always turn up? You know he go turn up.
So about your green card, you need to pay 1.8 million naira, and it will be processed. So for you, I can do 600. I'll give you 600K. No, I will do 800,000. Just bring 1 million naira, and it will be done.
Wait. I want to see 1.1 million naira. I don't find 1 million before. We don't do visa. No, wala. Tomorrow, Abi. Make I enter street. Make I go find them.
Yes.
I love you.
Love you too.
Which kind of nonsense be that one? Now you be the first officer where catch person where they do Yahoo. You don't collect 1 million naira. You don't even collect, say, you collect my motor, they go do like a packaging. You don't collect my clothes. What kind of nonsense be that one now? Officer, anything one shop, make it shop. You know, see this guy, look what my this man now.
Hey, GK Cambodia, na me officer was.
Now you are the follow talk. Waiting. Look at the shop.
You want make I go report you for station? Make them come arrest you. Make them charge you go court.
Officer, If me, I give you that money, make I die. Go report, so make them take me go court. So enough is enough.
Make I go.
They go.
Make I go call them.
Officer. Yeah. Oh, mommy, I know like this kind of matter. So no be so them they do things. You they get. This thing where you they do, they very unfair. You they hear what I they tell you. No problem.
You they cover up for me. They cover up for you. Nah, ain't BB now.
I don't know the kind of person where you be.
Ejike my nigga. Ejike Cambodia. Ejike Cambodia. Ejike Turkey. The only Yahoo boy. We don't go around the world. See, God will bless you.
Officer. I beg, this is not the very last money where I go give you.
No worry.
I beg you, no can't do any nonsense again.
No.
My brother, I take beg you.
Don't worry. See, more clients, more updates. You go the cash out from clients more.
Money where they cash out, you know, be waiting you don't collect. You don't want to knock my door.
Oh, I mean,
This can't come with this one safe.
nah, that my Oyinbo babe.
Officer, it be like you say me, I be like a baby, or maybe like your basketball where you want to play.
No, now.
Then waiting the shop.
You go do me one more thing. Just pass the back. Come on.
If I come out for this house, make I die. Officer, no make me make I dey very insultive. Waiting be this nonsense. Make I come out for house where I dey parent.
You don't start. Make I go call them for this one. We don't agree already now. Why now?
The guy can win 4K up very big time. No problem. Officer, no problem. But you see this thing where you dey do. One day the matter go cast.
No, no go cast. No worry.
I beg you, no push me. No push me, I beg.
Come on, my house now. She go enter now.
You be thief.
Holy everybody. Hello. Somebody.
You're this local name.
How you doing now? Go sit down. See, nah. You, I just want call. I want call me to say that 1 million where we talk. Don't get them.
Now?
For the travel.
It's too late. I cannot come back to the bank right now.
So, what did we go do?
Today was the last day, I told you. You should have done it earlier. Now, if you want, you can go yourself and put it in. I'm so tired today.
So sorry. No, Allah. Make I just carry the money. I go back myself.
Yes, go.
Are you fine?
Yes.
You don't need anything.
I'm okay, just go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Baby, let me rush to the bank.
Yes, please go.
Just send me the account. I should deposit. See you soon.
Yeah.
Baby, don't go there. Down. No. No be Ejike house be this. No now. Ejike Cambodia. Where did they go for your house?
My guy, no. It be like you want to carry me play. You get it? I dey come now. Now my neighbor they tell me for phone. Say people enter my house with white woman who can't come on my things.
Hey!
It be like you and that your woman who no you know they look faithful.
I don't know anything about her. Me I just dey come back say look me now.
Alright. Done. Hello? Yeah, the coast is clear. Yes, he left. Yeah, we have like 10 minutes. Just come right now. Yes. So fast. You take the art frame, take the TV, the table, everything empty this house. Right now. Fast. Come on, hurry up. The artwork, the TV, what's going on? Hurry up.
Last my woman they sent for Cambodia. When I don't carry and come out.
Hey!
Problem no day. See, officer.
Huh?
It be like you they make me vex because from the look of things I go give you dirty slap and I mean
You dey crazy. You don't remember who you dey follow talk? Officer Woos. I go report you for station. You go there.
Na me dey make mistake, they call you Officer Woos. Woos, see, make I tell you, you don't jam rock. You get mind, they make me go put hand for bad thing. I give you 2 seconds. I won't make my property come back. You get it? If I don't see my money, my television and my Gucci, the other fragamo things where they give you. See, you go think say this one na toy.
Jesus! Calm down for God. Calm down. No, make them use you.
Woos, I won't make you talk to Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Go police. Now my guy blow banger. This one now water gun. Katrina.
What type of plane is this?
I beg you call your boys, make them bring my properties inside. Hello. Now water gun, you begin to behave like a small pikin.
Jesus is Lord.
Let me go inside house to go there. You want guy man. You they carry my own clients, they work me. Oko. Now my babe.
Think about your life.
Come. All those ones where you they talk say you go take me go jail, you go take me go court. No need. Because everything where we they do since I dey snapper.
Oh shit!
Now you go rot in jail. I want come away to this jacket now jacket where my woman sent for Cambodia. I'm gonna pull and make I no slap you for face.
Go. God no go shame us.
Don't shame us.